Hello people, how are you doing? Hope you are fine. We are coming to the lesson which is very good, which talks about I have decided to. It's a very wonderful lesson. You had better learn it because it is going to help us, to help you, to help other people in different ways. Because these lessons that we are giving you are based on communication. Aya masomo turi kubaha ashingiye kuri communication. Kubijyanye nuko aragufasha mu kuzamura urwego rwawe mu kuvuga. Niyo mpamvu rero ubu tugiye kubigisha the use of I have decided to. Ese yuvuze ngo I have decided to. Ubuvuze iki? That's what we are going to see now. Nibyo tugiye kureba akakanya. Don't miss out this lesson, please. Wibura cyangwa wicikwa ni isomo. It's a very wonderful lesson. Ni isomo ryiza cyane. Me, I am teacher Jasper as usual. Good. Yeah, this is the title of our lesson, which is I have decided to plus a verb. Tumaze kumenyera ko iyo tuvuze verb uba wumva icyo ari cyo. When I say go, drink, come, study, harvest, teach, see, look at, izo zose ni verbs. Twamaze kubibona ibyo ngibyo. No one who doesn't know the meaning of a verb inshinga. Ubwo iyo uvuze I have decided to ukongeraho inshinga. Uvuze ko wafashe umwanzuro wamaramaje. In Kinyarwanda, let me say that in Kinyarwanda so that you can understand it. Wamaze gufata umwanzuro w'ibyo ugiye gukora right now, or maybe tomorrow, or just now, cyangwa kakanya. We use I have decided to plus a verb to say that you have made a decision or you have come to a conclusion. Yo tuze I have decided to tuvuga ko wamaze gufata umwanzuro cyangwa se wamaze kugera ku cyemezo, wamaze gufata icyemezo cya burundu cya nyuma cyo gukora ibintu runaka. You cannot understand this without some typical examples, tangible examples that we are going to show you here. Ntabwo wabyumva neza tutakweretse ingero zitandukanye. Ariko this is a very good formula. Iyi ni formula nziza yagufasha. I have decided to. Then here, if you see here, cameraman is going to help me show you this one. If you say, I have decided to accept. You see, I have decided to plus to. I have decided to accept, to change, to stop, to manage, to live. Icyo gihe iyo wongeye handi magambo uvuze ko wafashe umwanzuro wo gukora ikintu runaka. For example, ushobora kuvuga uti I have decided to accept your invitation. Mu by'ukuri nafashe umwanzuro wo kwemera invitation ubutumire bwawe. Ariko mbere tukiri abanzi ntabwo nari kubwemera. Nuko ubu we are united now, we are friends. That's why niyo mpamvu I have decided to accept your invitation. Nemeye ubutumire bwawe. Ubwo wafashe umwanzuro w'icyo kintu. These are more examples that are going to help you understand this. For example, you say I have decided to accept the job. This means that mbere wabirazaga inyanza ntabwo nshaka akazi but today uza kazi wenda cyangwa se usanza ko kazi ari keza, you say I have decided to accept the job. It's better. You had better use this kind of sentence in your daily life communication. It is going to help you understand and accumulate your English language. You can say I have decided to accept the job. Nafashe umwanzuro wo kwemera akazi. Nta kundi nabigenza. You can say I have decided to change my bad behaviors. Maybe you have bad behaviors. This is A. Maybe you have bad behaviors. Ufite imyitwarire mibi, mico mibi muri society. Maybe the society is blaming you because of your bad behaviors. Then you say, you know my friends, I have decided to take or to change my bad behaviors. Nafashe umwanzuro wo guhindura imyitwarire mibi cyangwa imico mibi indanga muri society. It's a very good example. Have you decided? Have you decided to change your bad behaviors? No one is perfect. Yes, you may be having the bad behaviors. You may change it right now. Umaze kureba iri somo ugatuvuga uti let me myself decide to change my bad behaviors. You can say I have decided to stop smoking. Maybe you smoke too much all the time, every minute, every second. Buri munota, buri segonda, every day buri munsi ura smoking. To smoke means let me take this as a cigarette. When you put this one here and you smoke, smoking is not good. You had better quit it. Stop it. Uyu rero ashobora kuvuga ati I have decided, nafashe umwanzuro wo kurekeraho kunywa itabi. That's very good. Yeah, I have decided to stop smoking. Nkuko nabikubwiye tugitangira, I have decided uvuga ko wafashe umwanzuro ku kintu runaka, kukireka cyangwa se kugikora. For example, I can say I have decided to start smoking. Natagiye rwose nafashe umwanzuro wo gutangira kunywa itabi, nabonye kanaka arimo mbona ni byiza, but it is not good. Ariko ibyo si byo, to start smoking is not good. I have decided to stop smoking. Don't smoke, please. Uko byangiza ibihaha n'iki byose. But if you smoke, no problem. Continue, but it is not better. Ariko si byiza. Niba unywa rero wagerageza kubihagarika. You can say I have decided to manage this company. I have decided to manage this company. Ushobora kuvuga uti uri boss ukavuga uti manager ari kundya amafaranga, reka bari njye wibera manager wa company. Ukavuga uti nafashe umwanzuro wo kuyobora cyangwa kumanaginga company yanjye cyangwa iyi company. That's a very good example. You can say I have decided to manage this company or my company. This is a very good example. This means that you have taken the conclusion or decision to do something or to manage your company. This is a very good sentence that you should use every day in your daily life communication. That's very nice. We are going to continue seeing different examples that are going to help us understand the use of I have decided. Tujye gukomeza kureba izindi ngero zigiye kudufasha kumva I have decided niki, baba bavuga bisobanuye iki, ese nabikoresha ryari. You will use this mu gihe wafashe umwanzuro wo gukora ikintu runaka. Ushobora kuvuga uti I have decided to go to Europe. Nafashe umwanzuro wo kujya mu Burayi. Kuvuga uti namaramaje rwose n'ibikapu biba biraho usigaje gusa kugenda n'indege. Only you want to fly to London. That is what is remaining. Now we are going to see other examples that are going to help us. Don't miss out and don't go away from us because you are going to get more in English language. Good. Let's continue. You may say, I have decided to leave this place. I have decided to leave this place. I have decided to leave this place. Nafashe umwanzuro wo kuva aha hantu kugira ngo ngize amagara yanjye mu rugero. Kavuga uti I have decided to leave this place. I have decided to tell him the truth. I have decided to tell him the truth. Nafashe umwanzuro wo kumubwiza ukuri. Uriya muhungu cyangwa uriya mugabo reka mubwize ukuri. I have decided to tell him the truth. You can say, I have decided to form a unity club. Very good. I have decided to form a unity club. Nafashe umwanzuro wo gushyiraho itsinda ry'ubwiyunge, ry'ubumwe, unity club. Good. You can say, I have decided to chase my houseboy. I have decided to chase my houseboy. Nafashe umwanzuro wo kwirukana umukozi wanjye. Bitewe n'ibyo akorera. I have decided to chase my houseboy. You can say, I have decided to go in a foreign country. It's a very good sentence. Nafashe umwanzuro wo kujya hanze y'igihugu. Wenda ngiye gushakayo ubushobozi nzagaruka. I will return, but today, these days, I have decided to go in a foreign country. Mu gihugu cy'amahanga. That's good. A foreign country ni igihugu cy'amahanga. Ushobora kuvuga uti I have decided to go outside from my country. Nafashe umwanzuro wo kujya hanze y'igihugu cyanjye. Outside from my country. Or you can say, I have decided to go abroad. Just a little. To go abroad, to go abroad, to go outside from my country, or to go in a foreign country. Or to go to the foreign country. That's good. Yeah. I have decided to go in a foreign country. You can say, I have decided to help this man. Uyu mugabo tukiri abana yarafashije nanjye reka mufashe. Kavuga uti, I have decided to help this man. Kavuga uti, my wife, do you know? I have decided to help this man. Or my husband, do you know? Mugabo wanjye urabizi nafashe umwanzuro wo gufasha uyu mugabo duturanye kugira ngo nawe atere imbere. Yeah, cyo ni igikorwa cyiza wakoze Imana yagufasha. Good. I have decided to resume my project. I have decided to resume my project. To resume, gusubukura. To resume, huh? This one. My project. Umushinga wanjye. Nafashe umwanzuro wo gusubukura. I postponed my project last 2 years ago. I postponed. But now I have decided to resume my project. Ariko ubu ngubu agafaranga nongeye kukabona kanongere kirimo agategende. Good. You can say, I have decided to marry Katia. Sinusisha kama bwira. I don't need gossip. Do you know gossip? Gossip. This word gossip. Amazimwe tugamba Katia si mwiza. No, ugatuvuga uti I have decided to marry. I have decided to marry Katia. Regardless some gossip. Nitaye kumazimwe y'abantu cyangwa amagambo y'abantu. Ngiye kurongora cyangwa kuzana Katia. Ngiye kumushyira mu rugo. Arabavuga mu mago muri iki gihe. Yeah, good. You can say, I have decided to mop this house. Mop, gukoropa. Gukora isuku, nkoropa inzu yanjye. Nafashe umwanzuro wo gukoropa inzu. Iyi nzu. I have decided to mop this house. You can say, I have decided to start primary school level. Rwose nubwo mfite imyaka 40, nafashe umwanzuro wo kujya muri primaire nanjye nkiga. I have decided to start primary school level. Lastly, not the least, but this is not the least. It is the last but not the least. I have decided to stay here. I have decided to stay. Yeah? Or I have decided to stay at home. In lockdown, you may decide to stay at home kugira ngo ubuzima bwawe bugende neza nubwo waba utari muri lockdown ariko ukavuga uti I don't have places to go, I don't have some journeys and what, I don't have trips. My friend, due to this COVID-19 pandemic, I have decided to stay home or to stay at home. Mfashe umwanzuro kubera COVID reka ndeke ibindi byose nasuraga abantu ngirane I have decided to stay at home. That's very good. And me, I have decided to teach you English language very well. That's very nice. I thank you so much, dear friends, dear pan lovers. Mwebwe mukunda channel yacu, nimukomeze mukore subscribe. Byukuri simbabujije kujya kureba ibindi bintu bitabafasha bitabungura ubumenyi. Jya urebe ari ku mwanya munini ushyire kuri pan. Ndakubwiza ukuri. I'm telling you, I'm trying to advise you, to give you some advice. Ndi kugerageza kuguhereza inama. Gerageza urebe yego ibindi wenda bihari kuri YouTube birahari byinshi ku ma channels yandi birahari. Birebe kugira ngo kubera ko nabyo birakenewe kugira ngo uruhurwe mu bwonko niki. Ariko ufate n'umwanya w'icyongereza. This is your chance. Aya ni amahirwe yawe. It is for free. Na n'ubuntu kwiga icyongereza hano kuri pan, hano kuri YouTube. Ariko try your best kubu hari buri gihe unarebe nandi masomo twagiye twigisha kuko aya ngaya ageze kure tugeze kure twigisha ibihe by'inshinga ibyungo subire mu rebe bizagenda bigufasha. Thank you very much. I thank you so much. See you next days.